Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to customize app icons on iPhone. So let's jump right in. Before you begin, make sure your iPhone is updated to iOS 18. You can check this by going to Settings, then General, and Software Update. If your iPhone is up to date, then tap and hold onto any empty space on your home screen. Now tap on the Edit button from the top left corner of your screen. From the provided options, tap on the Customize option. Here you can modify the size of your app icons by selecting small or large. You can also adjust the appearance of the icons by selecting one of the four options: light, dark, automatic, and tinted. And this is how you can customize app icons on iPhone. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.